Let me show you how we can customize the lock screen on the Xiaomi 17. All you have to do is simply open settings. Next, in here we're gonna scroll down a little bit and then go to personalization. Now once you open it, you should be able to find the current set of wallpapers that you have. Of course, you should be able to create a new set if you want to, but if you want to just customize the lock screen, you can tap on the lock screen over here, and then you begin the customization. First, we have the depth effect for the clock, which we can easily enable or disable. This allows you to hide the clock behind certain subjects that can be detected by the phone. Of course, these subjects cannot really cover the whole screen, the whole clock. And only if it covers like part of it, then you should be able to hide the clock behind that object that you have on the lock screen, on the wallpaper. But besides that, we can also find the effects option, which is available if you have like a non-dynamic wallpaper, which in my case I actually do have. You can also switch the wallpaper if you want to, but let's move on to the next step. We have these three sections: the date, the time, and the signature. If you tap on the date, then of course you should be able to customize the content, so you can change the date to, for example, include additional information. You can also tap on the clock in order to customize it, and as you can see, we have many different styles that we can go for. So we have some of these classic options. We have big clocks that you can use as well, and there we go. We have like aesthetics, we have magazine options, doodle, lock screen, and so on and so forth. If you go for any of these options, you can also switch to the font in order to change to a different effect. For example, you can change color for hours and minutes quite easily. So let's say if I want to, I can set up this purple one. I can also choose my own color in here. At least I should be able to do so. I'm not sure why I cannot really change this one, but you should be able to do so. And of course, different faces allow you to have different customization options. Like for example, in the case of the classic one, we can change the font quite easily. We can adjust the thickness of the font, and we have some effects available in here as well. And if we scroll down, then of course we have the signature option as well. So you can just simply provide your own text that you wish to have written on the lock screen. And that is pretty much everything. You can tap on apply in the upper right corner in order to save your changes. Also, besides that, you can go to the lock style in order to choose one of these presets. So we can find a couple of different presets if you're looking for inspiration. So as you can see, we have many different wallpapers and styles for clocks that we can go for. You can try to find your favorite one, and then you can begin with that. You can tap on the one that you like the most, and you can start the customization over there. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.